Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Abstract. Today we are going to discuss about what is cloud computing. Okay? And we will discuss about IaaS, PaaS, SaaS and hybrid cloud. Any idea what is cloud computing? You have probably heard of cloud computing, but do you really know what it means? Are AWS, Azure and Google Cloud just storage providers or something more powerful? In this video, I'll break down exactly what cloud computing is, the different service modules like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and various cloud types, including public, private, and hybrid, with real world examples you can relate to it. Okay, so what is cloud computing? Cloud computing means using remote servers over the internet. Using remote servers over the internet. To store, manage, and process data instead of using local machines or data centers. Instead of buying physical servers, you rent compute power, storage, and service from cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or GCP. You pay only for what you use. Okay. Real world example is think of it like electricity. You don't build a power plant at home. You plug into the grid. Same with the cloud. You don't manage servers, you use cloud infra when needed. So cloud computing equal to on demand IT resources over the internet. So cloud computing equal to on demand IT resource over internet. So it's like electricity. Okay, what you will do, you will not have your own generator, right, for your electricity. What you will have power grid. So you will not you it is like not using your own generator. Okay, so what we will do for power electricity, we will use power grid. Okay? It's like here you can compare this with cloud. Okay, cloud is equal to rent servers plus storage plus services. Okay, simply if I want to say, cloud equal to rent servers plus a storage plus service. Let's discuss about cloud service models. Okay, there are three models are there. Okay, one is IaaS, infrastructure as service. Second is PaaS, platform as service. Third is SaaS, software as service. Okay. While coming to cloud service model models, we have three types: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. We will discuss one by one. First, we will start with IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This is the lowest level of cloud computing. You rent virtual machines, storage, and networking. You manage the OS and software. Example, think of an empty apartment. You bring furniture, appliances, and light how you want. Okay. In real world, you can compare IaaS with AWS EC2, Azure VM, or Google Compute Engine. Okay. In IaaS, what you will do is in IaaS, what you will manage is you will manage OS, runtime, and app. What cloud manages? What cloud manages? Servers, network, and storage. Okay. Example is EC2 from AWS and Azure virtual machine from Azure. Okay. So second is PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS provides full development environment. You just write your code and deploy. No OS or server worries. Example, like renting a fully furnished apartment. Just bring your suitcase, which is code and like, okay. Real world examples are Google App Engine, Azure App Services, Heroku and all. Okay. So in PaaS, you will manage only code. You manage only code. Okay. Cloud manages OS, runtime, server, storage. Okay. Third one is SaaS, software as a service. SaaS is a complete product you use via web browser. No need to install or manage anything. For example, like checking into a hotel, everything is managed. You just use the room. Real world examples are Gmail, Google Docs, Salesforce, Zoom, and all will come under SaaS products. Okay, SaaS equal to fully managed product. Okay, so you just use the app. Okay, no installation, no server or code to manage. Example is Gmail, Zoom, Salesforce, and all will come under SaaS only. Okay. Next we will discuss about cloud deployment models. Any idea on this? Cloud deployment models. There are four types of cloud deployment modules are available. First one is public cloud. Second is private cloud. Third one is hybrid. Fourth one is multi-cloud. First, we will start with public cloud. Public, while coming to public cloud, resources are owned and managed by a third party. You share a physical hardware with other customers, but data is secure. Example is like renting an apartment in a big building. You don't own the building, but you have your own space. Okay. Examples are AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay. In public cloud, in a public cloud, it is a shared infra, third party owned. Okay. So it is scalable, cost effective. It is scalable and it is cost effective. Examples are AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay. So next is private cloud. Cloud. While coming to private cloud, it is used for exclusively by one organization. Can be hosted on-prem or by a provider. Example is like owning a house, full control, but higher cost. Okay. So while coming to private cloud, like it is dedicated to one organization. Dedicated to one organization, and you will have full control, but it is expensive. Okay. Examples are AWS Outposts, VMware, OpenStack, and all. Third is hybrid cloud. What it will do? It will combine both public plus private clouds. public plus private clouds. You can run sensitive workloads privately and scale using the public cloud. Okay, like living in your house but using a gym in the apartment complex next door. So while coming to hybrid, okay, we know it's a combination of both public and private clouds. What it offers flexibility. It offers flexibility plus here we will have data control plus scalability. Okay. Next is multi-cloud. Any idea on multi-cloud? While coming to multi-cloud, using multiple cloud vendors to avoid lock-in or improve redundancy. Example like having accounts in multiple banks for better service. Multi-cloud is like using multiple clouds like AWS plus Azure plus GCP. You can avoid lock-in. Can avoid lock-in and you can achieve high availability. So, and benefits and use cases of cloud computing. So, the major benefits is cost efficient because here we will have pay as you go module and it's scalable. You can scale up and down as per your need, and it is reliable, which means it offers data backup, multi-region, all those things, and a fast setup. Infra in minutes you can do setup. Okay, so the major use cases is, for example, if you are going to do web hosting, then you can host a portfolio on S3 and EC2. For data analytics, you can process logs using BigQuery. For backup and storage, you can use cloud for disaster recovery. For dev and test environments, you can launch dev instance in minutes in any cloud provider. While coming to SaaS applications, Zoom, Canva, Google Workspace, and all, you can take as an example. So your major benefits is pay-as-you-go model, fast deployment, global availability, and scalability. These are all the major benefits. Use cases are web hosting, storage and backup, big data, dev and test environment. And while coming to common misconceptions, let's bust some myths. Okay, myth one is cloud is just storage. No, it's storage plus compute plus networking plus databases plus AI and ML services. Cloud is not secure like that. Most of the people are thinking. In fact, cloud provides invest heavily in security. Most breaches come from misconfigured user permissions, not from the platform. Cloud is always cheaper. No, not always. If you don't want to manage resources like unused VMs, your cost can explode. Okay, use budgeting tools. So while coming to myths, cloud is equal to most of the people are thinking just like a storage. No, it's not like just a storage. Okay, it offers storage plus compute plus networking plus database plus AML services. Okay, it's a full IT as a service. Okay. So now you understood what cloud computing is and how IaaS, PaaS, SaaS works, and different deployment models and where cloud is used in the real world. Whether you are a student or a developer or an IT professional, learning cloud is a game changer in 2025. If you liked this breakdown, hit subscribe and follow me on Cloud Ops Craft, where we simplify the cloud and DevOps world one concept at a time. Thank you.